Hello guys! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a needle tool. Nowadays, I'm working on miniature figures. The usual needle tool is too big for mini sculpting, so I was using a needle instead. Then I broke it and decided to make a tool myself. If you are in need of a needle tool, I guess you have lots of scrap clay at home. So need some scrap clay and roll it. Place the needle in the middle of the clay and then bake it. After baking, needle may pop out, so it will be awesome if you first sand the flat tip of the needle and then glue it to the clay. Here you can see me how I work with the needle tool I made. If you want to see how I make a mini sculpture, please write a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon.